Okay, in this example, we're going to connect a Chromebook to a Newline Cast session. And with a Chromebook, the best way to do it is to use the display note extension in the Chrome browser, because generally what you do in a Chromebook is going to be based on the Chrome browser. So when the extension is installed, you'll see a little display note icon right here in the top right-hand corner. So I'm going to click on that now, and it will open a new display note session in a new Chrome tab. And once it's open, once again, it will ask me for the session ID and a name, which I'm going to go ahead and type in now. And then I will click the connect button to actually join the session. Now with a Chromebook device, there's actually one more step, because you can see I've got the spinning wheel here, so it's not quite ready to go. And the reason for that is Chrome is actually asking me if I want to share a specific Chrome tab or if I want to share the entire desktop. In this case, I'm going to choose the entire desktop, hit the share button, and then you can see that the wheel is no longer spinning. And when I touch and then choose invite to present, it will actually ask me, do I want to share my screen? I'm going to go ahead and tell it to share the screen. And there you have it. And now my Chromebook is casting right to the panel.